New controversy tonight involving the former head of Feeding Our Future. The convicted ringleader of the largest pandemic-era fraud in the nation is now accused of leaking sensitive court records from behind bars. Investigative reporter Eric Rasmussen was in federal court this afternoon. He has the latest on the new developments.
This all comes just 3 weeks before Amy Bach is to be sentenced for her role in that $250 million fraud. But after court, her lawyer defended her latest actions that got her in hot water with the judge. You're looking at one of the last times Amy Bach was a free woman. Now, more than a year after a jury convicted her of fraud, prosecutors say Bach was working from behind bars to leak secret court documents to minimize her role in the crimes and blame others.
She believes that there is more to this story.
Bach's attorney, Kenneth Udoa Bach, is now ordered to help track down any leaked files that were subject to a protective order by the court. Prosecutors say Bach used her college-age sons to anonymously email confidential records to a member of the Minnesota House of Representatives and to members of the media. In court, Judge Nancy Brazel called Bach's actions disturbing, but Bach's lawyer denies that she leaked the most sensitive records, which include secret FBI interviews with witnesses.
I have represented whistleblowers. I would encourage them to disclose confidential documents.
Do you think Amy Bach's a whistleblower?
Well, doesn't it seem that way? If the government wants to speak to my client today, I will facilitate it. She wants to talk about the governor, she wants to talk about the attorney general, and she wants to talk about unindicted co-conspirators.
Is your client going to take any responsibility on the day of sentencing?
Of course. She's been taking responsibility.
The judge did not grant a request to cut off communication between Amy Bach and her sons, but Bach will no longer be able to access any materials or evidence in this case unless she's with her attorney. As the former leader of Feeding Our Future, Bach is facing decades or even life in prison when she's sentenced next month. In the newsroom, Eric Rasmussen, 5 Eyewitness News.